Quick video on how to tighten the handle on a Fisher and Paykel fridge. So this fridge has got a very unusual handle where this top bit here was rattling. I found an online tutorial on how to tighten this thing by looking at the screw underneath and tightening it. This usually goes in like this, and you tighten that screw under there. Now the problem I had was it was still rattling even though I tightened it, so I took the whole handle off and I found a little Phillips screw in there which keeps these two bits of metal together. So mine was loose here and it was rattling around. So now that I've tightened that, I can pop it back on, tighten the screws, and it should work as it was intended to. Oops. Hope this video helps.